Alexa, lights on.
Our school has taken a remarkable step towards future by starting or establishing an innovation lab. This lab marks the beginning of our journey into the world of artificial intelligence and robotics. This lab will be a dynamic space for creativity, innovation, hands-on learning, and it would bridge the gap between knowledge and its application.
Innovation is the ability to see the change as an opportunity rather than a threat. And here at SPS Innovation Lab, what the UVPEP does is empowers the students to become an entrepreneurs at a very early age. We SPA aim at developing a skilled force, a certified set of students who will work day by day with their new experiments, and they will donate a huge contribution to the development of the school and nation. And hopefully, we expect a self-reliant nation in the near future.
Ideas going to take life here in St. Patrick's Academy with the introduction of this new AI lab. The students will learn how a robotic thinks, how a machine can learn from data, and how to design smart systems to solve real-world problems. And along the way, they will develop skills like logical thinking, teamwork, perseverance, and innovation. Skills that are essential in every field, not just in science and technology alone.
However, this is a bit different from normal recycle bins, as when you go near it, it opens.
But as you can see, when we look at this bin, we can see the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor senses our motions.
And when we are using it, we'll touch the limit switch, then we using it, it's okay. And this iron box is not only safe, it's also eco-friendly and cost-saving because it uses a rechargeable battery.
So first we have the throttle. Inside the throttle there is a magnet and a Hall sensor. When I apply the throttle, the magnet will start to move and the Hall sensor will detect the change in the magnetic field. So what the Hall sensor will do is that it will convert the magnetic field into signals and it will send it to the Arduino Nano, also known as a controller.
Let's dive into what makes our RC car actually move. The communication system mainly consists of the NRF module. This tiny but mighty component ensures seamless two-way wireless communication between our remote and the car possible. The control is given by the joystick, which acts as our primary input port.
Will be calculated by the controller Arduino Nano, and the output is articulated by a series of 4 servo motors, and this is how it works.
Now here, if it detects an obstacle in the front, it stops and moves back.
I never imagined my child could do sensors and IoT like this. It's not just learning, it's growth I see.
When children start applying what they learn, they begin to think differently. That is future. STEM-based innovation labs in schools are vital for futuristic learning. They transform students into creative problem solvers by blending science, technology, engineering, and maths in hands on projects. These labs foster critical thinking, collaboration, resilience, and digital literacy skills essential for future careers. By providing maker tools like 3D printers, coding platforms, and design software, they encourage experimentation and failure driven learning. Early exposure engages diverse learners, promotes STEM confidence, and bridges the gap between theory and real world challenges. Ultimately, innovation labs prepare students not just to adapt to change, but to drive it, shaping empowered, future ready citizens.